Hey everybody, Matt the Garden Guy coming right at you. Did you know you were supposed to prune your cabbages? So yes, you heard me right. It's very important that we keep our cabbages pruned. That will help for a couple different reasons. If you have them close by each other, they're not going to grow on top of each other. Also, you can get the diseased cabbage leaves off. Lastly, it'll help divert all the energy to growing the actual head of the cabbage. So this cabbage plant right here, what we're going to go after is the ones on the ground and anything that is damaged. There we go. These are all the leaves that I cut off. All the leaves are off the ground. I also got rid of a lot of the damaged cabbage leaf that were from either birds or some type of bug or pest. Hey, so you might ask yourself, what do you do with these leaves when you cut them off? Some people might just throw them in the compost. What we do is we take these, we put them in our oven that has a dehydrator on it. Once we get them nice and dehydrated, we go in and crumble them up, and then we use them for greens in our smoothies or shakes. Awesome way to reuse these. Otherwise, just throw them in your compost. They're an excellent source of nitrogen for your compost. Hey, so lastly, you want to do that to your Brussels sprout plants as well. Hey, hope you learned something here. If you did, please give this a thumbs up. I'd also ask that you please give this a share. And if you haven't already, please follow me, subscribe to my channel, Matt the Garden Guy, and keep growing.
Our camper.
Yes, that's our camper.
It's my camper.
That's your camper?
Yeah.
All right.